everybody. Today is 2-Minute Tuesday, and today I want to show you how you can plant your seed starts without even transplanting them. I use 2 paper cups. These are 3 ounce. You can use any size you want. The first thing I do is cut a hole on one of them. That's all you need to do is cut a hole. This is your drain hole. Then you write on the cup with a Sharpie, and use a Sharpie because that is waterproof. I'm going to plant peas in here, so I'm going to label it peas. I'm going to put 1 seed, and I'm going to put the date. That's so you can keep track of when you planted it. Now with the second cup, you're going to cut the bottom off. It's that simple. Cut it and leave about 1/4 inch from the bottom. And now you've got a piece like this. See, you can see through. You're going to put this bottom in, this one with the hole. Then you're going to put this one in. The one with the writing is on the outside, of course. Then you're going to put some soil in. It's that simple. And here is a sugar snap pea. You drop that in. Now you just water it. And once it starts to grow, here's one, and you're ready to plant it. You're going to slip the inner pot out. And you're going to plant pot and all, not this one, but this one. The roots will continue to grow out. The seedling will be protected by the paper cup, as well as when you water it, that seedling's going to get all the water. And that's how easy it is. And the paper cup, don't worry about it. It's going to disappear in the ground. I love it. It works for me. Look at all these I've planted, and I've got them all over my garden. Have a great day, and don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye. If you're interested in this video and like to see more and more detail, check out the extended version on planting in paper cups.